Hey, guys, welcome to the Gadget Lab. In this video, we are going to check out 5 best body roller massage. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Number 5 on our list is Yoga Foam Roller Body Massage. Specifications: brand name, Osili. Model number, XMD02. Usage mode, electric. Application, body. Item type, massage and relaxation. Material, ABS. Size, medium. Power, 40 watts. Frequency, 40 to 320 Hz. Warranty, 1 year. Number 4 on our list is 3-in-1 Massage Roller. Specifications: brand name, Top Direct. Application, body. Item type, massage and relaxation. Material, ABS. Size, medium. Certification, CE. Number 3 on our list is Handheld Lymphatic Drainage Rolling Massage. Specifications: brand name, Beauty Star. Material, ABS. Technology, Auto Roller. Bead quantity, 30 pieces. Bead application range, 105 mm. Maximum roller speed, 550 RPM. Outputted power, 100 watts. Package size: 29 by 29 by 10 cm. Weight, 1.5 kilograms. Number 2 on our list is Relaxed Red Light Heated Massage. Specifications: brand name, Vilnissen. Model number, FK16. Application, body. Item type, massage and relaxation. Material, ABS plus stainless steel. Voltage, 100 to 240 volts. Number 1 on our list is Electric Roller. Specifications: brand name, Beauty Star. Usage mode, electric. Application, body. Item type, massage and relaxation. Maximum power, 40 watts. Power supply, 12 volts 1A. Weight, 2.25 kilograms.